Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to see the sixth experiment, design and verify the operation of op-amp as adder, subtractor, integrator and differentiator. So in this video, we are going to design and verify the operation of an op-amp as a adder and subtractor. In next video, we'll be discussing about the integrator and differentiator. Aim. The main aim of the experiment is to design an adder and subtractor circuit by using an op-amp. So the circuit diagram for adder is shown over here. So op-amp, we have two input terminals. One is your inverting input terminal and the second one is going to be the non-inverting input terminal. Plus VCC and minus VCC. Plus VCC is given with a plus 12 volt and minus VCC is given with minus 12 volt, and we are going to measure the output at V0. Since it is a summer, we can connect one multimeter or one voltmeter at the output of the op-amp. Here we are going to give three different voltages. We can check this particular value by using a circuit, like we can connect RPS V1, V2, V3 and third pin can be grounded. Now we'll see the subtractor circuit. So when you are going to see the subtractor circuit, it gives the difference in magnitude between the two applied voltages. Here the two applied voltages is at pin number 2 and pin number 3. Pin number 2 we are going to supply with one value of DC voltage, and pin number 3 we are going to supply with the other value of DC voltage. And as usual, we'll be connecting plus VCC and minus VE. This is fourth point, so we have given minus 12 volt. And this is going to be your seventh point, so we have given plus 12 volt, and the feedback resistance connected is R3, which is 1K. Now to design the adder circuit, the design procedure is given over here, like what should be the value of R1, R2, R3 and the feedback resistance needs to be taken. So we know that the output V0 is equal to gain into input, that is AV is equal to minus V0 divided by Vin. Therefore, V0 is equal to minus A into V1 plus B into V2 plus C, where A, B, C are going to be the respective gains that is connected to the respective input. For example, so in the adder circuit shown over here, to find out the value of V0 with respect to V1, it will be minus RF divided by R1. Therefore, V0 with respect to V2 minus RF divided by R2. So likewise, you can connect n number of resistance at the input, and the value of R1, R2, R3 is found to be 10K, 6.8K and 4.7K. So from this obtained value, if we calculate the output voltage, we are obtaining minus 4.5. So for the design of subtractor circuit, we know that V0 is equal to minus R3 divided by R1 into V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 is going to be the difference in voltage between the two terminals, that is between your inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal. Once it is calculated, the output voltage obtained is going to be minus 4 volt. The procedure is, we need to wire up the circuit, rig up the circuit as shown over here, as shown in the circuit diagram. Choose a proper value of R1, R2, R3 and the feedback resistance, and apply a DC voltage at terminals V1, V2 and V3. Using multimeter, we can measure the output voltage and we can compare it with the design value. Even with the theoretical value, we can compare it. The value of your adder circuit, like here the obtained theoretical value is going to be minus 4.5 and practically will be getting minus 3.8. In case of your subtractor, why here minus we are getting, in the sense because the input is connected at the inverting terminal, so we are going to get the output as minus. In our subtractor, the difference between the two voltages, so theoretically we have obtained minus 4 volt, but practically we have obtained 3.8 volt. Now we can see the practical demonstration video of op-amp as adder and subtractor.
Connected the circuit, the feedback resistance what we have used, it is at 10K, and here we have used two 1K resistance. One is given through the two resistance, one end is connected to the input DC voltage. So here the DC voltage for in one RPS is set to 1.1 and the DC voltage in the other RPS is set to 3.8. To make this circuit to work, I need to give the biasing voltage. The biasing voltage is given through a separate RPS plus VCC and minus VE. So it is your plus VCC and this is your minus VE. it is connected to pin number 7 and minus VEE is connected to pin number 6. So when you connect the circuit according to this circuit diagram, and output I am going to view it in channel 2. Here no need of viewing the input because we are going to give the input voltage in RPS and it is a digital meter, so directly you can view what voltage you are giving it from this RPS. So when you switch on the biasing voltage, you are getting the output in CRO. When you look at this, it is your origin line. So in this origin line, it is your output is negative since you are connecting the input at the inverting terminal, and since it is an amplifier, you are getting here 10 volt for an input biasing voltage RPS to the connected circuit as shown here. You will get the output voltage in the CRO. So when you closely watch the CRO output, you are getting the output voltage in the negative. It means that your inverting terminal voltage input given at the inverting terminal is higher than the voltage applied at the non-inverting terminal. One more example also we can see. Now we are going to reduce the voltage at pin number 2. It means that it is your inverting terminal voltage I am going to reduce, whereas the non-inverting terminal voltage I have increased. So when I increase this voltage, so you will get the output to be positive. You can see the output in the CRO to be positive. So this is how you need to, subtractor means V1 minus V2. So when you see the output voltage between 5.8 minus 0.6, so you will get approximately 5.2 at the output. This is how you wanted to construct the circuit for a subtractor using an op-amp, and you have to.
So thus the experiment is conducted, designed and rigged up by using IC 741, and its performance of the op-amp as an adder and subtractor is tested and verified. Thank you, students.